mean, like, you guys so far away from me because we're so empty. Kaden, or actually Irie, I want you to come up here to table 3. And then I want Reese and Kaden. Can you come to table 2? And then I want Kaylee, can you go sit over with Eric at table 5, across from them? And then Aubrey and Carter, you can come sit at table 2. Or what? Reese, click me please. I don't know what's taking so long. And everybody needs their DPM. It looks like table 3 was the only one that was on. And Bella. Don't think of some excellent effort for those things. Was it out before? Ethan, please do not play. Patience. I'm excited, but I'm nervous.
Wait, how are you doing drawing that?
Because look.
You have that?
Wait, oh, were you not here for ELA? Oh, yeah. Oh, no, yeah. We can draw, we write on it. Yep, we can write on it. This is how we did our Venn diagram for ELA when we were comparing and contrasting two people. We can write on it. I guess, yeah, that's true. You got in here at vocab.
You do it with the eraser?
I like the thicker side because when you use this pointy side, it kind of makes like kind of a nails on chalkboard. Yeah, and I don't like it. So I use the thicker side. Yeah.
Wait, but how do you erase? I hear that. The first time you did it with that, I hear that.
With an erase? With an eraser.
That's pretty cool.
Yep. Okay. So we are on day 3. I need everybody on day 3. On day 3.
Yes.
Beautiful. Okay, we have a lengthy, alone word problem. I do not know this name. What can I do? R. R. I can do R. I'm just gonna call her R. Read this with me. You're following along. Kaden's ready. R had 29 colorful rubber bands. T gave her some more. If R was able to give 6 friends 8 rubber bands each, how many rubber bands did T give her? Okay, this is long. What do I do first? What can I do first, Bella? I can cube it out. What's my first step in cubing it out? Yes. Circle your numbers, friends. Ooh, I have 3 numbers.
I know.
What do I do next after I circle my numbers? What do I do, Eric?
You underline how many rubber bands did T give her?
Yes. See? Underline the question. Underline the question. Kaden.
Box each.
Yes. Box each. Good job, Kaden.
Each.
After 6 rubber bands. Right up here, my friend. Right before the question starts. Isabella. Sounds tricky. Huh? Give. Yes, Isabella. This one's tricky. How many rubber bands did T give her? So this question is having 2 boxes. Friends, we have 3 numbers.
There's 2 gifts.
Do you know what the 3 numbers is telling me right now? Is this going to be just a 1-step problem?
No.
How many steps?
3.
Aubrey, how many steps do you think?
3.
3? Said
2.
3 problems. Kaden, what do you think?
2.
You think 2? It's gonna be a little long. Can we do it?
Yes.
Okay. Here's what I need. I'm gonna clear up some space. Okay, there we go. Stresses me out a little bit.
What was that?
It was the eraser. Okay, so we need to start with what we had at the beginning. How many did R have in the beginning?
29.
29. She had 29.
It's like 29.
I'm gonna write that off to the side just so I remember.
Minus.
She had 29 in the beginning. What does each tell me? What kind of problem is this? What kind of problem is this?
29.
If it says each, Carter, I need you to sit up. Thank you.
Times or division.
Times. You are correct. Put a little time symbol next to our each. Good job, Bo. So my each is talking about my 6 and my 8. Does that mean I need to multiply my 6 and my 8?
Yes.
I agree. What is 6 times 8? I don't really know my 8s. So I think I
You
gotta
count
do
by
my
your 6s.
Okay, help me. Help me. How do I count by my 6?
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, stop. 48.
48?
Yeah.
48. Ooh. I have another number. Do you think it can go with this one?
48 plus. Oh no.
But are we plussing? Remember, let's read one more time. So, R had 29 rubber bands. T gave her more. But then, so we get down here and we have 48. How many rubber bands did T give her? What are we finding, Irie?
I think you have to add 29 to 48.
Let's try adding. Let's try it. If we add 48 plus 29, someone tell me what you get. Stack it. Ariana's got it in her hand. So does Eric. This is a big problem, so I'm gonna give people a minute. Put it in your hand, Bo. Your answer. Because you got the answer, right? Okay. Alright. Put it up. 3, 2, 1.
77!
Okay, so 77 is the answer for this problem.
Yes.
But I want you to think for 1 second. Oh, sorry. We're just gonna for time. 77. I need you to think about this though. She started out with 29, and at the end, she had 48. Do you think that to get to 29 to 48, do you think he gave her 77?
No.
Does that make sense? How else could we find what's in between? We tried adding. What do you think we have to do, Ariana?
Subtract.
Okay, I need some room, so I'm gonna erase this.
Can you erase it?
I can. Yeah, Does my 48 go on top or the bottom? Room 5.
Top.
Oh, the top. Thank you, Bo. And then 29. Someone help me. What do I do? 8 minus 9. Bo, what do I do?
8 minus 9. So take the 48. Hit the 4 to a 3, and hit the 8 to an 18.
Oh.
And then that will be 9.
Ethan, I really hope you're following along.
That
So
would be
18 minus 9 is what?
9.
9. Thank you, Bo.
Then that would be 1. 19.
Does that make a little more
Yep.
sense?
Yes.
Do you think T gave R 19 rubber bands?
Yes. And get that. Yes.
I agree. So put it right down here. 19. And you can put RB because they're for rubber bands.
19.
19. And please circle it because we have a lot of numbers and I want to know what your answer is.
RB
Yep, rubber bands.
or
I just did this. 7 times 6 equals 48 minus 29.
Okay, let's look at our next problem. 30 divided by what equals 6? Ooh, let's count by sixes. Okay, 6.
12, 18, 24, 30. Stop.
How many?
5.
5. Write it down. 5.
Count by 9.
Ooh, 9s are hard. Hold on, let's wait and make sure that all my friends are with us. Oh no, we're right over here at 30 divided by 6. And now we're on what times 9 equals 54. Thanks, Kaden, for showing me that you are ready to go.
You could count by 5. No. Count by. You can.
Let's count by 9s.
You can look 9,
18, 27, 36, 45, 54,
Stop.
60.
No, stop. It's 6. 6.
Oh, I forgot. Can I try again?
Yeah.
Okay.
9,
18, 27, 36, 45, 54.
Stop. 6. 6.
3 times 5.
50.
15. 15. Ooh, we got some number line and some fractions.
Number line.
Oh, I'm excited. All right, I love number lines too. How do I find 2 6 on a number line? What do I have to do? Is Bo the only one who knows? Bella knows. Oh, Chloe, what do you do? Talk to your table. What do you think you do? What do you do?
I'm thankful.
Bella, you had an idea.
Label. What do you think?
Label, and then what?
I think we have to label.
No, they're the same. Yep.
We have to label.
They both have 6. You do not have to cut in half.
And jump.
All right, I like what I'm hearing.
To 6.
What do we do first with this number line? Or no, sorry, I want a quiet hand. What do we do first, Chloe? I label. What's this one? My first one. Remember, I'm going by 6.
1, 6.
1, 6.
And then 2, 6.
And then 3. Keep helping me count. 4, 6. 5, 6. And 6. Or 1. Whew. Now what do I do? I need to find 2 6.
It's supposed to be 2, 6.
I gotta find 2 6. What do I do on my number line?
2 times.
Bo knows. That's gonna be an excellent effort, Bo. You are with me.
That's 2
And I need
I got.
a dot. Don't forget. Oh, it went away.
And now we need to find.
Whoa. Ooh.
Now we need to find 1/5. I mean,
No, try again. Label what?
5,
5,
6.
6. Yes.
Hop.
Hop. 3 times.
3 more times. Hop 3 more times.
But hold on, friends. Let's think. Do I just keep going? 1, 2, 3? Or do I want to start from the beginning? This is new.
From the beginning.
Okay, start from the beginning. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Stop.
Oh, thanks. Bill.
Stop at 5.
Stop at 5. This is what your paper should look like.
Yep.
This is what your paper should look like.
Okay.
I love those sums. When your paper looks like this, you may put it away.
Oh, yes, come back. They come back. Come back to the
Are my teachers assistants here? Oh, beautiful. I'm not you too.
I'm teacher.
Aubrey,
Oh, well, it's okay. I can do it. Thank you. Thank you. Aubrey, when you put that away, come on up here. Okay. Isabella, do you want to help? I know you're not a teacher assistant, but yeah, you know the drill, right? Oh, wait. Okay, now I have to sit up.
Fractions. No, there's nobody
Aubrey, please just give it to the people who are actually here. Give it to a physical human. Like I see that Ethan does not have one yet.
We need one for
It is. I still do, but thank you though. Okay, please.
Wait, one, look.
I don't need one anymore.
1, 6, 1, wait, 6.
No wonder there's lots of them around here.
Reese, I mean, you guys should be where I put you. Still at the tables I put you, please. I know it's different. Kaden, you should be at table 2 right now.
I feel like this is only the
Haley, you should be at table 5 right now. I know it's different with all the different.
Why do we have?
We'll talk about those in a minute. That's next. Right now we're doing this. Right now we're doing fractions of a set. Name on your paper.
First thing.
Where does it go? I sure hope you have your Okay. We are talking about something new with fractions. We are talking about fractions of a set. Say fractions of a set.
Fraction of a set.
Look at my marbles. Can you guys see?
Yeah.
Okay. This. Oh. Okay, try again.
Yeah.
Pen. Always pen.
What about pens?
Oh, we're gonna use green.
Yay.
My favorite color. Okay. Fractions of a set. This is a set. This question is asking, what fractions of the marbles are black? So sometimes we're gonna have a set of things and maybe some of them are shaded and some of them are not, just like our square. When it is objects, it is called a set. Say set.
Set.
This is a set of marbles. Say a set of marbles. I want you to talk to your table and I want you to see if you can answer this question. What fraction of the marbles are black? How many of them are black? Talk to your table.
3.
Nope. You don't do anything on your paper.
There's 7 not. There's 7. There's 7 not shaded.
3, 7, 7.
Yes, 3, 7. So 7 is not shaded.
Isabella, go get a paper.
Three.
Absolutely not.
3 are
We're not
shaded.
playing.
and 7 are not.
I agree with Aria.
1, 2, 3.
I really
4, 5,
appreciate
6,
that
7.
table 1 is still talking to each other.
So it has to be
They're having a
7
respectful
third.
conversation.
There's 10. See, look.
Oh yeah, there's 10.
If you put them all together, there's
10.
so 3, 10.
Yeah. I agree.
Alrighty. I want to hear what somebody talked about. Kaylee, what did your table say?
Eric said it was 3 shape, 3 10.
I heard 3 from you.
Yeah, we can have 3 10.
That's not what you talked about. I Eric, is that correct that you said that there were 3 shaded?
Yes.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. Table 3. What did your table talk about?
We talked about that there were 3 black shaded and the others were white and there's 6 of the others and 3.
There's 6 of the other unshaded ones. Do you want to try counting them one more time? Okay, so there's 3. I'm gonna say like this so I know that there's 3 shaded. And then there's 7 other ones that are just a circle. Table 1. What did we talk about?
We talked about it's 10.
Actually, I want to hear Ariana. I want to hear someone who hasn't talked yet. Is that okay?
Yeah.
So Ariana, what do you think?
There's 10 because there's 3 shaded and but I noticed that just because there's 7 doesn't mean it's a 37. It's actually 3/10 because there's only 10 marbles.
Oh, so you're saying that it's not 3/7? Because
No.
but Ariana, there's 3 shaded and there's 7 other marbles.
It's not the ones that are shaded and it's not the ones that are not shaded. It's the amount of how many marbles there is.
So you think that it's 3/10? Also, my
Yeah.
friends, can you see this green color? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I just want to make sure that it's okay. So you see that there are 1, 2,
3
3.
shaded. And then all together it's 10,
2,
3, 4, 5, and then there's 5.
7, 8, 9,
The
10.
total is 10.
How about I label? Let's see if I can all. Okay, hold on. I'm getting used to it. Okay,
This looks cool.
I know it's kind of cool, huh? Okay, I'm gonna label them. 1, 10.
1, 10. 1, 10. 1, 10.
Thanks, Ariana.
1,
Don't
10.
Don't yell.
1, 10. 1, 10. 1,
Oh, slow down. You're going a little too fast for me.
10.
And 1.
Oh,
And
there's so
there's-
many pins.
And 3 shaded.
2, 3.
So do we understand a set?
Yes.
So what's my first step? If I am looking at a set, what's my first step?
Count.
Bella. Count them all together. Do you agree?
Yes.
Okay. And then what do I do? Someone other than table 1. What do I do next? I've counted all of them. Then what do I do? If I need to find the other part of my fraction. Isabella. What do you do next? Talk to your table. What do you do next? I've counted all of them.
Next we do how much is shaded. No, we do label and then we shade how much is there. So if it says 10, no. If we do like 10, if we do
If you're giving me a thumb, you need to be quiet so I know that you are deaf. I only heard Bella talk at table 2. I'd like you guys to try again. I only heard Bella talk and I didn't hear any. I agree with you, Bella. Or actually, I'd like to add, or I respectfully disagree with Bella because I saw you leaning and listening. I did not see Reese show me that she agrees. Try again. Kaylee, did you guys finish your conversation? Eric, are you sure? Did you finish your conversation? I really appreciate that Caden was leaning in and listening to Bella and showing that he was actively listening to Bella. I do appreciate that. Just waiting for one more take. Giving me a thumb. Okay. Okay, so I've counted all of them. And then what do I do next? Just give me one of my next steps. Kaylee, what do I do next?
You shade them. You shade the.
No, they're already shaded. Like, let's pretend it's these. So I've counted these in my set. I've counted them. What do I do next? Reese, what do I do next? Ethan, go get a redirect. You do not color on tables or ourselves. That is not okay.
You have to label the boxes.
Oh, I labeled them. So how many are here?
6.
Oh, I'm asking Reese. How many?
6.
There's 6. Okay. I'm gonna label them.
1, 6.
Yep, 1, 6.
1, 6.
What do I do next? I know that there's 6 all together. What do I do next, Ethan? I heard your table having good conversation. So maybe you can ask them again if you weren't listening the first time.
You count all the squares?
I already counted the squares and I labeled them.
Circle it?
Circle what?
The squares.
What squares? Which ones?
Those ones?
Huh?
Those ones?
I don't know what you mean by those ones. Which ones?
The ones that
I agree. I agree. I can circle them. So I have, what should I do?
2, 3, 4, 5.
So what do I know?
There's 5.
Do we agree?
Yes.
What's my fraction, room 5?
5, 6.
I agree. I agree. What questions do we have about this? Because we're gonna have a little exit ticket at the end to go to the library. So you gotta know. You gotta know this. So we feel good?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. Around the room, I know it's like magic. Around the room are posted answers. Or questions, I mean. I'm sorry. Questions are posted around the room. You in front of you have something and it has numbers on it. Numbers. We just did 1 and 2 together. So what was number 1? What was our fraction? Just now. Does everyone? 5, 6. So write 5, 6 and number 1. So you have that answer. I forgot to tell you beforehand. That's my apologies. Ooh, does anybody remember? What's our other one? Bo, what's our other one?
13.
3 tenths. 3 tenths. So in number 2, you should have 3 tenths. Now, this is going to be tricky. You're going to have to be paying attention. When you come up to one of these papers, they have a number on them.
Yeah.
So this number, if I'm looking at this box, it goes with which number?
17.
Do I just write my answer in 3?
No. Right in 17.
Write it in 17, because if you don't, will it be right?
No.
Nope, it'll be wrong. Here are my expectations for you. I am not going to put you in groups because we have so few friends here right now. This is my expectation. I do not want more than 2 people at a station. So if you are finished with one over there and you want to go to the next one because it's right next to it, but there's 2 people, can you go there?
No.
No. But what if no one's over here?
Go there.
You can go there. I am okay if you want to try and work with someone who is at that. But this is not a playtime. And I do not want to hear that someone is just giving you the answer. So if you've already been to that one, I don't want to see that you're giving the answers to people. Because like, say that Ariana is already over there and she's done 17, 18, and 19. And I come up and I say, Ariana, what is 17? Should she give me the answer?
No.
Is my brain growing if she gives me the answer?
No.
Oh, you're stealing their learning. You're stealing their learning. Okay? So, what I would like, I'm going to start you at a station. I'm just going to like randomly start you. Okay? what I need you to do when I call your name, here's what I need from you. My 3 things. When I call your name to tell you where to go, I need you to get a clipboard that is on the side table, and you will need your pencil and your paper. And you'll go over there. Does that make sense?
Yes.
There are 4 questions at every single one, except for at the standing desk, there is only 2. Just so you know. They all have 4 questions. Okay. Aubrey and Carter, you can start at that one. Go. Make it happen. Ariana and Bo, you can start at Classroom Cruise. Bella and Kaden, you can start at Back with Miss Morgan. Don't forget your Bo knows what to do first. He's already over there. Let's see. Reese and Angel, I would like you to start at the window. Make sure you grab your own number, friends.
So I can start with classroom.
Yeah.
Classroom.
Kaylee and Eric, you can start at standing desk. Oh, and if you're at the back table, you cannot get answers from Miss Morgan. When you go back there, she will not give you the answers. And then, Irie and Ethan, I want you to go to back by the clipboard. Yep, and you know where you're going. I love that you're paying attention to what number it is. Find your 20 box.
There's only 220.
Oh, put it on the back.
There's only 20.
You can put it on the back.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Okay, what's the number?
We don't do only
Yeah, put the number on the back. That's a great idea.
make a box.
Yep, just make a box. Flip it over, make a box. Problem solvers. I love that problem solving. You. Flip it over and put the number on the back. 2930. Whoops. My copy didn't make the
Okay.
okay.
So 25.
Perfect.
There is 3.
Read the question first.
What fraction on the shape
What fraction of the
okay, so
But you have to wait until someone else is done because there's already 2 people at every station. It doesn't help to go fast because you gotta like go with everybody else.
There might be one.
Oh no, friend, that's okay. There's only a few more. You're fine.
Read the question
just
So
to
do
make
I.
sure
You
if
need
there
to read the question
more.
in order to understand what you're looking for. Okay, what's it say?
What fraction of the shape?
I'm only having 29.
You can't go to the next
Okay,
one
we're
yet,
fine.
Irie, until someone's ready to switch.
What's left?
So
I read.
25.
I read.
Yes.
Remember, you're on number 13.
Okay, so what fraction's on the left side?
25 is
Okay, out of how many?
25.
I read.
Oh, 3.
So it's 3.
You just said it.
3
Read
is
it.
question. I know, but it's 1,
So write it.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2.
Wait, let me.
Write the answer.
So,
Yeah, just write the answer.
right, 8, 25. 25.
Yeah. So you need to the rest of it.
You can do whatever you want.
Let's read the question.
So
Go ask her.
this.
Go ask Aubrey.
Out of how many houses
So
are there?
it's
Right side and right. So, which hand
And
do you
Bella has a
want?
different answer. So it's gonna Bella has 3 6. You have 3 7. Who's right? And how can you prove it?
Five and how many?
I'm gonna go to since this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So
Carter, you need to
Okay.
Yeah.
2, 3, 2 fit.
Wait a few minutes until the next person is ready to switch. It was? What fraction? You have to read the question. What fraction of the faces are
What's that
what?
left? Okay, how many are there?
There's some frowning and then there's some just like the circles
Out of?
are inside the triangle.
That's what Bella said.
Wait, so that's 9. So 14. No, yeah, it's 14.
Is that what our denominator is? Is what's not shaded?
And then
Eric, you should be on there too.
So then this one should be 1/3.
no, look.
Carter, you should go to Aubrey.
What?
You guys switch.
Oh,
Yep.
so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is Christian's left?
Huh?
Oh yeah, is this left? 9.
You write with your right hand.
14.
Look at your hand. Look at. Wait, look at me.
Bella's getting lost.
Is this a backwards L?
Help her.
Which one makes an L? A capital L. That means it's your left.
So,
That means that's left.
inside.
She's putting it on the top. What's wrong?
Sorry, I missed.
This one.
Then what's supposed to be?
Wait, are you on the
Okay, which one? We're almost done.
Think of that as how many are shaded. That number goes on the top or the bottom.
1 out of?
We're done.
Top. So there's only 5 on top
Thank you.
of your line. Oh, sorry.
Corner, are you done?
Okay, 5.
What's Christian?
How many are there in total?
Sorry.
I'm supposed to put a different one.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, do this the right way.
Just wait a minute because they're almost ready to switch. Okay, and then you'll come.
That? We're switching with them.
Adios.
Yeah, that's fine.
How do you?
Oh, but Carter's not done, so
yeah.
just Bo go there. Bo, you can go there for now. Ariana, come here, friend. You can go to the back table.
Hold on.
We can go right here.
State. Make sure you're reading the questions. This should be 21.
What fraction of the shapes is shaded? I get it.
Good.
What fraction of the houses are half?
Out of how many?
Try to be done.
Houses have a chimney. So, 3.
Hayden, you guys go over there. Hayden, Bella. Perfect. I love it, problem solving. Carter, hold on. Where are you at, friend? You're on this one? Okay.
What?
Of the shape is shaded.
What fraction?
Hold on. Who's your partner? Ariana. Aubrey, you shouldn't be leaving Carter. You should be with Carter. This isn't a race. This isn't a race.
What do we switch?
Reese. You're with Eric? Okay. Carter, you're done?
When you get to this,
Did you
we're
just
gonna
get
talk
the answer from Aubrey?
Unless Ariana can figure it out.
You swear? Alright. Okay.
What do we switch?
Reese and Carter, you need to come over to this one. Oh, sorry. Carter and Aubrey, you need to go over here. That one. Yeah, have you been to this one?
Nope.
No?
We went over there.
Beautiful. So then you go here.
Hey.
I know. Were you listening in the beginning? Gotta turn it over and draw a box.
Ariana, pause for a second. Do you want me on 22?
Are to the left
There you go.
of the line.
My left. Help him read the question, Ariana. You might need help with that.
What fraction of the number nodes are on the left?
I don't think they heard. It was very quiet. Sorry, guys. Pause really quickly. Here's what I need from you. We were doing really good. I am super proud of you guys. My only suggestion would be that to make sure you're actually reading the questions. Because I think sometimes we just look at it and we're like, oh, that one's darker. I'm going to put 2 fifths. But that wasn't the question. Because there are tricky ones, like number 10 where it says, how many are smiling. If you don't read, you don't know that it's asking for that. But here is what I need. It is time for library. So what I want you to do is I would like for you to take your picture or your paper off of your clipboard and put the clipboards back on the side table, please. Actually, let's put them in the box.
I'm gonna do this next time or no? 8, 11.
Perfect.
Miss Kristen, did I leave tomorrow for tomorrow again?
Ooh, class.
Yes.
Ariana just had an amazing idea. We're gonna do this tomorrow too. So I would like for you to take your it out of your blue cubby, and you need to put it in your math folder of your binder.
Okay, did you hear the new direction?
Eric, how did my water
For
go get in
tomorrow.
over there?
Where does the You caught up?
Beautiful, Lolo. Yes. And then what do you need out on your desk?
Library book.
Yeah, your library. Clarissa's already got it going on. I'm gonna give her an next one after. No, it's okay. We can just leave it out.
Whose library?
Whose library crew?
Maria, Sergio, and Miguel.
They're not here. I could be.
Whose library crew?
Karina, Sergio, and Miguel.
But they're all not. I could be. Me, Katie.
Who has not been library crew? Carter, you haven't been library crew?
No.
No? Okay, Carter, you can be library crew today. And Reese and Isabella, you can help him pass out when we get in there. But Carter, you can carry them over there, okay? So come get these. Then raise your hand. You don't need to tell me that you have a question. You need to raise a quiet hand. That's how you ask a question. Here you go, Carter. If you're sitting in the back table, you may line up. You'll renew it. No, you need to bring it with her so you can check it out again. So she knows that you didn't lose it.
I almost finished pages. So close to being finished.
I'm waiting for quiet front table. Sit down, Isabella. Okay, give me that. Oh, I gotta turn off my phone.
I can stay here.